This scene takes place in an unassuming field between a river and the home of an innocent family. However, as you will soon see, this location is currently the site of some serious action. To emphasize my point, look at this guy, clearly falling down to the ground. Down for Down syndrome. But why is he falling down? And where is he falling from? This will all make sense at the end of the story. It all started with a simple robbery. See this mugger holding a gun at this innocent man? The man has his hands up, like you do when you have a gun pointed at you. Now take a close look at his palm. Notice that top crease, the transverse crease? He only has one. Most people have two transverse palmar creases. Anyways, Down syndrome patients often have a single transverse crease on their palms. So this victim with a single prominent palmar crease will help you remember the single palmar crease in Down syndrome. Now, unfortunately, this single palmar crease guy is not the only victim of this stick-up. Notice this nice old lady to the left? She is holding her newborn twins. The fact that she is old will help you remember that the risk of Down syndrome increases with maternal age. Additionally, mothers that conceive at older ages are at an increased risk of non-disjunction occurring during meiosis. If non-disjunction of chromosome 21 occurs, then this leads to Down syndrome. If you look closely, you will see that these twins are conjoined, helping to remind you of non-disjunction. So this old lady with conjoined twins for non-disjunction occurring with advanced maternal age. Now, of course, this sweet old lady didn't conceive these children all by herself, so we also included her elderly husband in this story. Unfortunately, because her husband has Alzheimer's dementia, he's not much help in this situation. As you can see, he's just yelling at his candy bar, completely misunderstanding the crime right in front of him. This confused old man will help you remember that Alzheimer's dementia often occurs in Down syndrome patients even at earlier ages than typical people. Now notice the candy bar. It's a Hershey's chocolate bar. This will help you remember that patients with Down syndrome often have Hirschsprung's disease. So Hershey's candy bar for Hirschsprung's disease.